Hello friends and welcome to another video of a factory tour. In the summer, the first thing we need are air coolers or air conditioners. Many people would prefer to buy their own cooler as this can be cheaper than renting and it can be placed anywhere in the house. Friends, you must have used an air cooler in a summer season. But have you ever wondered how an air cooler is made in the factory? Well, alongside this, I will also tell you where you can get more information about how you could start this kind of business. So friends, let's unbox the air cooler making factory, Novamax Industries LLP in Uttar Pradesh, where different sizes of air coolers are made. The amazing process of air cooler making starts with different parts such as a motor, pump, fan, wheels, cables and many others. First, to check the quality of the cooler blades, rotary balance testing is done. Only perfect quality blades are then used in making air coolers. Now the motor is assembled, and after that the blades are also assembled. Next, the front cover of the cooler is made by assembling wire mesh and a swing motor. Then, into the water tank, the flow pipe support and pump are assembled. Friends, now we will see which parts are assembled on the assembly line. Here, the water tank and front cover are assembled. Then the cooler fan is installed at its designated place. Now the top cover, side cover and electric cord are assembled. An important part of the air cooler is the filter known as cooler grass, which is set in the side covers. Yes friends, this is very important for a quality air cooling process. On the air cooler, the switches and other parts are prepared and assembled, and important instructions are stuck on. Finally, our air cooler is ready to cool you down. Now it is cleaned properly and packed. Friends, we have seen how the air cooler is made in the factory to make you feel cool in the summer season. For more information about this business, please provide your details on the link given in the description and our team will assist you. To see the air coolers making business documentary, visit IID's YouTube channel or website. The link is in the description. I hope you enjoyed this tour of an air cooler making factory. Which process did you find most interesting? Please comment below. Subscribe to us for more factory unboxing videos. Like the video and don't forget to share with your family and friends. Stay connected. Be updated.